Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aditi and today you guys are coming with me on a little mini trip to Tahoe. It's currently 8 o'clock in the morning. We actually got here last night. I had a shift yesterday from 11:30 a.m. to 4, and as soon as I was done with that, we just got in the car and headed here. I didn't vlog yesterday because nothing really eventful happened. There was a fire that we saw on the way here, and then we got round table for dinner. We're gonna be spending all day today and tomorrow at Lake Tahoe, and we're gonna head back tomorrow night. The whole family's here, so it's me, my mom, my grandpa, and my dog. He's actually sitting here right now as I vlog. Mommy, have we ever been to Lake Tahoe in the summer?
No.
Yeah, so it's our first time coming to Lake Tahoe in the summer. We've only gone in the winter. All of us just got ready for the day, so now we're gonna try and find what to eat for breakfast. But I'm also gonna pour myself a coffee because I know that if I don't do it now, I'm gonna be tempted to buy one.
I think I'll rate it about 8.5, 9.
Okay, me too. I think I'm gonna go for like, yeah, 8.5 is perfect.
Let's go out.
Okay, let's go. He thinks he's not gonna get to come, so he just sits there and pouts, but it's so adorable. And it's like, dude, you're literally coming, like, don't stress. Really quick, this is the fit for today. I have this red short sleeve top. It's really bright, so I hope no wild animals attack me. And then I just have my cargo shorts on. This is our Driftwood Cafe haul. I'm gonna show it to you guys. We just got takeout. So for myself, I got this Emily's waffle. It comes with strawberries and whipped cream. And then for my mom, I don't remember what their name for it was, but it's basically this eggs with hash brown and some toasted sourdough. Hi guys, it is currently 11:15 and we are at Rail Track. For the last half an hour, we were just kind of hanging out by the shore and we were trying to convince my dog to get in the water, but he hates water so much. After this, we're gonna head home, eat lunch. We're gonna leave my grandpa and my dog at the hotel room, and the two of us are gonna go kayaking or paddleboarding. We don't know what yet. It's 1:40 and we're having lunch at this place called Sonny's Barbecue Shack Bar and Grill. I was halfway into eating and then I was like, wait, I didn't even record what we have. I got a burger. My mom got a chicken sandwich and my grandpa got some tacos. They allow dogs to just like sit here. 3:20, I took a fat nap on the car ride home, and then me and my mom got changed because now we're gonna be heading down to a beach, and the two of us are going to go on an adventure. Every single time that we've gone to like a lake, we've done kayaking. Paddleboarding is a little scarier because you have to balance better, but I don't think we're gonna stand and paddleboard. I think we're gonna like sit and paddleboard. We've gone on a couple of mini trips like this one over the summer, but we didn't really get in the water for anything. Even if we did, it was like knee deep like we did this morning. We didn't like fully go in. This is our first time doing a water activity this summer, other than the pool, which doesn't really count. Hi guys, it's 7:50 and I'm gonna update you on what's been going on. As you guys probably saw, me and my mom ended up kayaking instead of paddleboarding, and that's because when we went to rent the paddleboards, the employees told us it was way too windy to go paddleboarding and they didn't even recommend going kayaking, but we promised them that we had been kayaking before and that we were really good swimmers. We ended up being the last people because the store was supposed to stay open for a few more hours, but like halfway through our kayak journey, we could see them like closing down the kayak shop. I'm so glad we got to go though. The wind wasn't that bad. The scenery was amazing. There was literally the ocean, 3 shades of blue. Like, I've seen 2 shades of blue before where it's like shallow and then it gets deeper, but there was actually 3 shades of blue and it was so beautiful. The last hour or so, I just ate some food and I've been decompressing. All of my friends and family know this, but I love my alone time. Once my battery is dead and I'm out of energy, I'm done. I need to be in like a solitary confinement room for a couple of hours before I can start talking to people again. So my mom and my grandpa went out. I know they said they wanted to check out the casino and some of the other stuff that's in the hotel. They asked me if I wanted to come along and I was like, no. But I'm in the bathroom right now because this morning I wanted to straighten my hair and I just didn't have enough time. And I don't know if I'm gonna have time in the morning tomorrow, so I wanted to just straighten my hair now. Okay, finished product in 3, 2, 1. Good morning. It is currently 8:45 a.m. Yesterday after I talked to you guys, we didn't do anything. We just kind of went on our phones for a couple hours and then went to sleep. This morning we all got ready and packed up our stuff. Technically our checkout time is 11, but we're planning to leave by like 9:15. So for our plan for the day is we're gonna eat something for breakfast and then we're gonna go back to rail tracks because the water there was so nice, and this time we plan to get in. We might spend a couple of hours there, then we're probably gonna have lunch, maybe do another activity and then head home because our drive back home was like 4 hours, I think. We were talking about what we wanted to have for breakfast, and Tahoe Bagel Company. See you guys once we check out and get to Tahoe Bagel Company. So we just got a back to life bagel. It's jalapeno cheddar bagel with turkey, and technically you got 2 meats. I didn't want a second meat though, so they let me sub it for avocado. Then we have pepper jack, hash browns, and eggs as well. And it's cut into 4, so we're all gonna try it. Let me just show you the layers. What do you guys rate it?
10 on 10.
9.
Maybe 9.5. It's 12 o'clock. We've been hanging out in the water for a little bit now, and guys, it is so nice. This is just like crazy. Never seen water this clear in California. This is like the water when we went to Hawaii. Like, this is good water. My mom was just saying this, but this is our new like hidden gem. We will 100% be coming back here every single summer.